Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet heart. For this, I am using 3mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First take a yarn and make a magic circle. Then make a chain of 4. Make 4 double crochets in the magic circle. Two double crochets in the magic circle. Chain 4 and slip stitch in the center. Again chain 4, 2 double crochets in the magic circle, four double crochets in the magic circle, and slip stitch in the chain 4. Pull up the yarn. To start our second row, chain 4 and double crochet in the same stitch. Make 2 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 treble crochets. In the next stitch, make 3 treble crochets. Make a double crochet in the chain 4. Then chain 4 and slip stitch in the center. Chain 4 and double crochet in the chain 4 stitch. In the next stitch, make 3 treble crochets. In the next stitch, make 2 trebles. In the next stitch, make 1 treble and 1 double in the same stitch. And make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. In the last stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet. Slip stitch in the chain 4. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.